The French car maker may be finally breaking into the big time in India, even though it's off the back of one model, but in Europe it is a substantial range on offer. And we could pick and choose the ones that we wanted to drive at a suburb outside of Paris.
So it's a bunch of Renault cars here that are on display, but we of course do get to drive them. Now, none of these cars are destined for the Indian market. I think the idea is just to sort of introduce us to the entire range from Renault. So you can see different segments of cars here. Some of them do look a little bit interesting, but I'm going to start with something that's very popular here in terms of the segment that a lot of the French buyers are pretty keen on. That's the MPV space.
It's a segment that we're finally getting into in a big way in India too. The MPV is multi-purpose by name, but it is in fact a people mover. Perfect for the soccer mom or the joint family, or even when your in-laws come visiting. The MPV is versatile and compact enough to offer good drivability and handling too. It's exemplified in India by the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. In Europe, the popularity of MPVs has long been established, and it is the Scenic that helped create that niche. The cars that you see here are the Scenic and the Grand Scenic. There are subtle differences styling-wise that tell the two apart, as you can see. Of course, the big difference is that the Grand Scenic, as the name suggests, is bigger and it accommodates 7 people, while the Scenic seats 5. We chose the Grand Scenic because that's more relevant to us, and we set off into the cool countryside. The Scenic, like almost all Renaults, has the option of petrol and diesel engines. We have the hardy 1.5 DCI K9K motor that we all know very well now from cars like the Pulse, Scala, Fluence and Duster. This one is in its 110 bhp version. The car handles well and it is surprisingly lithe and composed. The acceleration is smooth and the engine's noisy character is well masked inside the cabin. The Scenic's equipment levels are also decent. The seats are comfy, and even though the rear 2 rows are not generous with space, they seem adequate. The car has climate control and an inbuilt music system with USB and Bluetooth functions, and so it works well as a family car, doesn't it?
It's a fairly plush cabin, isn't it? You got really nice looking seats, pretty well appointed in terms of all the gadgets and gizmos, and of course that nice split fairly panoramic roof is also a nice touch. What I want to show you though is that when you say MPV, the whole focus is on the space for cargo or for extra people, so 7-seater, and you know what, that's the kind of segment that's getting a lot of attention in our market. So I know this car is not coming in anytime soon, but it's the kind of car which would hold a lot of potential because of that plushness and because of these seats. Now just take a look at how easy this is. Unlike most other MPVs where pulling out that third row is painful or perhaps not very elegant, quick tug of that, out comes the seat, simply pops into place. Of course, it doesn't give you too much leg room or anything like that, but putting it back, just as simple. Again, a tug, simple little push, and snap, it goes back in. So very nicely done. I thought the design on that mechanism is pretty smart.
Of course, the second row can also be removed if you really want lots of space, and so the vehicle is also versatile enough to once again go from that tag of simple people mover to an MPV indeed. The car's premium looks on the outside are a bit overdone, especially the LED lights in the bumper and the treatment of the rear lights. But overall, it's a plush, upmarket and well-built car, one that would likely get a good amount of attention if localized and produced in India. Of course, we know that Renault Nissan are also considering the option of giving us an MPV based on the Duster platform, which we then hope would carry over traits of the Scenic.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for Retina display. Full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.